Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about goodwill. So our new topic is that when new partner bring goodwill in another kind. What is another kind? It means goodwill is going to bring in the form of assets. Okay. So goodwill is bring in the form of assets. So I took one example. X and Y are partners showing profit 3 is to 2. On 1st April 2019, they admit Z as a new partner 3 by 13th share in the profit. The new profit sharing ratio will be 5 is to 5 is to 3. Okay. Z contributed capital. Okay, it means Z is going to contribute capital and share of goodwill in the form of stock 80,000, debtor 1,20,000, land 2 lakh, plant and machinery rupees 1,20,000. Okay, on the date of admission, the value of firm's goodwill, it means the total value of the firm's goodwill is 10,40,000. In this question, my dear student, what you observe that the goodwill and capital is bought in the form of assets. These assets are following: stock, debtor, land, plant and machinery. In this mode, they have to bought these assets for what? Goodwill and capital. So today I am going to solve how this question is going to be solved in the systematically. So first we are going to calculate profit sharing ratio. It means we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio with the help of old ratio and new ratio. This is old ratio and this is new ratio. Okay. So let's do how to calculate working note. Let's see the working note here. Working note. Okay. First we calculate total value of the goodwill. It means Z share of goodwill. Z share of goodwill is equal to 10,40,000 multiply. What is the share? You just see what is the share? 3 by 13. 3 by 13 means you just multiply 3 by 13. It means how much? It is called 2,40,000. 2,40,000. That is the value of Z's goodwill. Now we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio. So I am going to calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio for whom? X and Y. X and Y. X old ratio is 3 by 5 and Y old ratio is 2 by 5 minus new ratio. What is the new ratio? 5 by 13. Okay, 5 by 13, 5 by 13 and 5 by 13 again. Then what is the value when you are going to subtract? Its value is 14 by 65. 14 by 65 and another value is that 1 by 65. The sacrificing ratio of X and Y is 14 is to 1. It is the working one. So I am going to ask for solution of how to solve in this question. Okay. So you keep remember how to solve. So we have to draw the format of journal. How to draw the format of the journal? We just draw journal format. As you know that simple format is that you draw the journal format, date, particular, this is the format I am going to here. This is the particular column, this is the debit column, okay, and this is the credit column. You have to use a scale for neat and clean. purpose. Okay, now you have to put it here, date, particular, debit, credit. Okay, and solve how to calculate the value of goodwill in the form of assets. Now this partner X brings goodwill and capital in the form of stock. So you have to write a stock account debited 80,000. Next, debtor account debited 1,20,000. Next, land account debited 2 lakh. Next, plant and machinery. How much? 1,20,000. You just calculate total value. To capital. Whom capital? You write X capital. No, Z's capital account. You just put it here, dash dash dash. To premium for goodwill. I think you already calculated the premium for goodwill was 2,40,000 in working note. Did you remember? 2 lakh. So you first calculate the total value and subtract this one. You got it, the value of capital. The value of capital is how much? 2,80,000. 2,80,000. The value of capital is 2,80,000. Now you put it here, narration. Goodwill got in the form of capital assets. Okay, you just put it here, narration, and draw. Second entry is that goodwill is going to distributed in the sacrificing ratio. So put it the narration here. So you put date 1st April 2019 because I already took the date here, 1st April 2019. So what is the second entry, my dear? Premium for goodwill. Account debited to X capital account to Y's capital account. My dear student, this premium for goodwill is distributed in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. What was the sacrificing ratio? 14:1. Okay, that was the 14:1. So 2 lakh for X, 2,40,000, 2,40,000. I am going to calculate 14 by 15, 1 by 15. You got the value. How much the value is given? That one for 16,000 and another is 2,24,000. You just write down 2,24,000. This value is going to be right here. Okay. So 2,40,000. This value is going to be 2,40,000. And here you will have to write X 2,24,000 and 16,000 for this one. So you have to put the relation. Goodwill is going to be transferred in the capital account of X and Y. In which ratio? 40 ratio. So it is our case when partner bring goodwill in the form of assets. Okay, my dear student, I hope you have to understand this topic. It is very simple. It is a journal entry and this is the working note we have already calculated. Thank you.